This next piece is my all-time favorite from this time around. Look at this slit, y'all. It's literally iconic. I think it stops at the perfect place. It's just like the perfect, it's like perfect width, like perfect length, everything. I love it. The colors in this is so pretty. I love the detailings up here. It's like brunched right here and right here, which I love. I love that these two are like two different colors. I think it's super, super cute. The back is also really pretty right there. I love it so much. I just paired it with some wedges and a hat, and I love it. I'm so obsessed.